Hi, welcome to a new series on the RafflesCooks channel called Quick Tips, where this week I'm going to show you how to make quinoa using a rice cooker. Oh, and I know I need a haircut. Yes, Mum, I have booked one in for next week. Let's make this. So to kick things off, let's get everything unboxed and start weighing out our ingredients. Using our favourite mug, let's weigh out 2 cups of quinoa, approximately 500 grams, or the entire 16-ounce bag you've got. Then follow that up with double the amount of water, which is 4 cups, or about 1 kilo, or 1 litre. And don't forget a biggish pinch of salt for a bit more flavour. Then stir down the sides using your favourite silicone spatula, or your newest and fanciest personalised RafflesCooks wooden spoon, merch coming soon. You can also add veggie stock, or any stock at this stage for a bit more flavour, but I want this quinoa to be more versatile, so I'm not going to use any. Just give everything one last final stir, and then turn on your RafflesCooks Rice-O-Matic 970S onto its power mode. Thanks, Greg. And then you're off to town. It's going to bubble fairly violently at first, but don't worry, just let it do its thing, and it'll start to simmer soon. And then once it's done, just let it sit there for a couple of minutes to steam. Then you're done. That's it. You just made quinoa in a rice cooker. Now this recipe will make about 5 to 6 portions of quinoa, so grab your 5 favourite Tupperwares and start filling them up. Oh, and remember, this quinoa can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days, or in the freezer for, well, indefinitely really, but probably not more than 5 years. So that's how to make easy, quick quinoa using your rice cooker. But most important, how's it taste? Tastes just like perfectly cooked quinoa. Not bad. Actually, really nice.